guys, we are back with a new topic, which is making recommendation and suggestions. In our previous program, we just learned how to give comments, negative or positive comments. But this topic, it's a bit changed from that. In this topic, we need to advise someone. We need to tell someone where he needs more efforts, where he needs to make himself more better. Making a recommendation and suggestion means to tell another person what we think they should do or what we think is a good idea. So now I will call my friend Ayaan and he will tell you some most useful phrases.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm great. Could you please like to tell us the phrases?
Yes, my pleasure. Hello guys. There are more different ways of recommendations and suggestions. But in this lesson we will cover most useful ones and important ones. So come on, let's start. If I were in your place, I would like to do this. If I were in your place, I would like to buy football. You can make your drawings more improvements. You can take more improvements. It will look better if you write more details. You need to make your design more balanced. You can also use need to want stronger language. I need to go to the hospital. She needs to tell us the story. Okay.
Okay guys, let's move to a conversation. The same conversation we did before, but in a different way. Hi boss.
Hi.
Look, I made the project.
Oh, it's good. But if I were in your place, I will improve this. But it's good.
Okay. So now let's look how the boss did. How did he give? He didn't give his comment, but he tell if I were in your place, or he'd give his advice, his suggestions. Okay, so now let's move to a conversation in which let's suppose me and my friend will be discussing about a plan, where to go. We are discussing a plan for a trip, but we're confused. Where to trip? Where do we go? So let's see how we make suggestion and how we agree or not. Hello.
Hi, Ellie.
I think we should trip to National Park because it's a beautiful place.
It's good, but in my opinion, we should go to a monument.
Okay, that's also the good place. Okay, we will travel there.
Okay, bye.
Bye. So look guys, in this way we make recommendation and suggestions. So now let's move to a recap. If I were in the place, I would do this. You can make improvements here. You need to make yourself more better. It will look more better if you write or add some more details. You should go to market. You need to take an umbrella. It's raining outside. There are lots of phrases, but I just want to share the most useful ones. Okay, bye and meet you soon.